Would you believe me if I told you Arizona had a beach? Well, you could take my word for it, or you could come along with us next, and I'll show you. Puerto Penasco, or Rocky Point, is a short 4-hour drive from the Phoenix corridor. And depending on where you come from, you may be driving through a national forest of cactuses. Once you get to the border, you're still about 60 miles from Rocky Point. You will immediately notice the difference in everything as you traverse down to the waterfront.
A fair amount of bug splatter.
Building new ones.
Seems like they're always kind of building stuff.
I think we stayed over there, right?
Golf course. There are many new developments and modern condominiums and other accommodations right on the beach. And if you do walk around on the beach, you will be harassed by vendors that are going to sell you these bracelets, cigars, temporary tattoos, and anything else you can imagine. If you do decide to make it out of the resort area, make sure you go to the Malecon. Malecon is a strip situated right on the water, about 15 minutes from the resort area, where you'll find restaurants, bars, clubs, vendors with storefronts selling pottery and various other Mexican-made items. You'll see pharmacies, and you'll see markets where you can buy the catch of the day. And as you can see, the catch of the day is impressive. There's various statues scattered about the Malecon, like this one of Luis Donaldo Colosio, or this one of a man holding a fish. There's plenty to see and do on the Malecon, including nightlife and, in our case, day drinking at various bars scattered about the Malecon. Once you work up an appetite, make sure you stop at a taco stand. This one, which I think was called Tacos Gus. We've actually been to the one in Cabo before, but we weren't sure if this was part of the franchise, if it was a copy, or was just coincidence. But only one way to find out, and we were impressed, so I think it's part of the same family or franchise. Definitely try Tacos Gus. Another really cool place we found was Mannys. Mannys is about 20 to 25 minutes from the condo and resort area, but as you can see, it's on the beach. The floor is actually sand. They have a swinging bar and live music pretty much 4 days a week. This place is cool, and it's spread out where you can walk out onto the beach, or you can walk inside, or you can stay outside. A couple facts about Rocky Point is there are about 63,000 residents, and it is a strip of land that joins the Baja Peninsula which is the area called the Altar Desert, which is the hottest part of the Sonoran Desert. Another cool place to check out is Wrecked at the Reef. This is on the opposite side of the resort area, but also has sand floor bar and restaurant, and it's got a great indoor venue for watching sports or live music. Great place. Another thing that you must do while in Rocky Point is get a Sonoran hot dog. Take my word for it. You'll thank me later. Enjoy. One last piece of advice is get the Mexican insurance if you're driving into Rocky Point. You will not regret that, and it costs about $15 to $20 a day. Thanks for watching.
So one's the stripes, right?